Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to use Android Auto in the GMC terrain. When using Android Auto, you must take your Android phone and plug in, like so. You'll get a notification, you'll say more, you'll say continue. You say accept. You can have a tutorial to show you how to use Android Auto, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to skip. And there you have it. Everything is set up. That easy. When making a voice call with Android Auto, it's as easy as pressing and holding this voice command button on your steering wheel, like so. Call Clayton.
Calling Clayton Jordan, mobile.
You can now voice text with Android Auto, and that is as easy as pressing and holding this voice command on your steering wheel, like so. Text Clayton Jordan.
Text Clayton Jordan, sure. What's the message?
Hi, how was your day?
Here's your text to Clayton Jordan. Hi, how is your day?
You can now voice command your destinations, and it's as easy as pressing this voice command on your steering wheel, like so. Find me the nearest Walmart.
Showing results for find me the nearest Walmart.
Perfect. If you have Spotify on your music or downloaded music, you can now voice command that from your phone with Android Auto. And it's as easy as this. Pressing the voice command button on your steering wheel, like so. Play Welcome to the Jungle by Guns N' Roses.
Alright, asking to play Welcome to the Jungle.
So that's how you use Android Auto in the GMC terrain. I hope it was helpful, and have a great day.